Good morning vlog. It is Sunday. It's like 7:30 a.m. I'm very crusty and we are at the public storage because I need to get some clothes and then head back to the Y to shower, do a little workout and stuff. And because I also need some storage for my stuff inside the van. And believe it or not, even though this is California, I put the code in wrong. It still gets cold. It's very fucking cold at night. Even in the major city, like in the densely congested, populated city, you would think, oh no, because you know, urban sink, dense city, metal buildings, lots of cars, lots of emissions. It's probably hot as balls, and it was. It was like 80 degrees all day yesterday, and probably I was sleeping. I genuinely forgot what I was saying. I think I was saying that I slept naked last night because it's so fucking hot. But yeah. Also, I think I might have been an old grandma in my past life because the way that I get up and viscerally like need to sweep out my house. I mean, it's a small space, so like it gets dirty pretty quickly, you know what I mean? And I don't know why. That's just how I'm feeling, y'all. Toothpaste, toothbrush. I'm gonna go ahead into the storage unit and clean up a little bit and then get some stuff. So I'll catch y'all later. All right, let's go. And we back. What's up, vlog? Today we are using that grill to make our breakfast. See what we got set up here. Got this little tray, doubled as an ashtray last night. It's all natural, you know what I'm saying? We got plantains, if you know, you know. We got our Himalayan salt, garlic, and herb seasoning, some eggs, avocado, and onion. The pan we're gonna cook in, the bowl we're gonna eat out of some mushrooms, cheese, and oat milk. The only thing I forgot is the bread in the van, but that's okay. That takes the least amount of time to toast up. But yeah, let's make some breakfast. Y'all, tell me why this paring knife from the dollar store is literally better than the $13 knife I bought from Walmart. Was it Walmart? Either Walmart or Target. That's crazy. Woohoo! It's taking some time, y'all. I had to restart the flame underneath and lower this. I didn't know you could lower it even more so that it's like right up on it. But we made progress. Look at them toasted plantains and the onions and mushrooms. About to throw the egg in there and then add a little avocado to some toast. We are moving and grooving. All right, y'all. Breakfast is complete. A little leftover egg. And I just found out that these kind people here are getting ready to throw a little family field day event right here at the park. They're gonna have some kickball, some games, some complimentary backyard eats. If y'all don't know, that is a local Caribbean spot and it is off the chain, okay? But we outside and we about to eat.
Yeah.
All right, let's
You know what it was?
I have to kind of face it.
I think middle school, like, you still like.